Okay. I am incredibly excited to share with you what is probably the most momentous update that we have done for Stacklist since we launched in September. We launched August of 2024 to kind of friends and family, and then we launched in September of 2024 publicly. And since then, we've had such great reception, especially about the look and the feel and the interface and the experience of Stacklist. But we thought we could even do better. So we have fully redesigned and reimagined the experience of Stacklist. So I'm going to log in and show you. So I log into Stacklist. And now what we have is you'll see on the left-hand side, this is the new navigation over here. We start with, we have search. And so I start with searching everything. I can search recipes, and it shows the results in the cards or the stacks or the lists. So I can search cards, and I can actually get all of the cards and get right to the one card that I was searching for. And so the search is also, you can use Command+K and bring that up. So really quickly use the keyboard shortcut to bring that up and say New York. And so now I can see I have 38 stacks about New York, and my New York planning stack is the one I bring up. So we're very excited about the search. Next, we have cards. So this also is sort of infinitely scalable. By having this left-hand bar navigation, you can now have a huge monitor and see lots and lots of your cards. In here, we also have, you can end up filtering by things that you have made or things that other people have made. So we can see things that I have saved from other curators on Stacklist, or see all my things. I can also sort by the things that have been liked the most, or alphabetical. And then I can also quickly search my tags, like, let's say, Florida. And it's going to go in and pull all of the cards that I have already tagged as being for Florida. I don't think I've tagged anything with Florida. And then we go to stacks. Now we have a few different layouts for stacks. This one is sort of the compressed version where you just see the thumbnail and the name of the stack. So you can see lots of different stacks at once. We also have what is sort of the expanded view of the stack, which sort of shows you a preview of a number of cards in that stack. And if you only have one or two cards in that stack, you also have the ghost cards, which essentially is just ready for you to copy and paste a link, and it will make that new card for you. We also have lists if you're on the Plus or Pro plan. So really easy to get in here and manage your lists as well. And you can see here, this is an event for South by Southwest, and I can sort of manage all of the stacks in this list, or really quickly add a new stack to that list. So we're really excited about this new layout. It really gives us a lot of flexibility. If you want, you can also hide this left bar to make even more space on the canvas for all of the stuff that you're working on. Your activity is over here, so you can see people have followed you or people that have liked some of your stacks. And this is going to be more and more important when we get into commenting and collaborating on stacks, so that you're going to really be able to use this to see what other people are talking about with you. Discover, you can still get to discover over here and really use this to discover some new things that you want to save yourself. So easy to browse through, find something you think is interesting, and just hit plus. And then that card will be saved into your account. So really easy to discover new things. And then you can do this by category. So maybe you just want to look at, say, podcast or parenting. Then you can really quickly discover some new things in those categories. And then all of your account information is down here on the left. So I can open that. And this is the familiar menu that we had on the upper right previous. But this is where you can get to all your account settings, your public profile. This is where you can build or manage your public profile in here. And all of this has stayed the same. It's just now in this canvas, this working canvas area here. And then also we have plus in the lower left-hand corner. This is really the quick add. So if you quickly want to add a new card or a new stack, then you can do that here. And this is where this plus button used to be up here on the right-hand side. So a whole new look and feel. We're really interested to hear what you think. Be sure and come in here and send us a message. What do you think about the new layout? What are your thoughts? Give us some feedback. We'd love to hear it. You can also go to my profile, which is stacklist.app/Kyle, and feel free to book some time with me. I've got my my calendar is here. Just click this and book some time with me. Throw 15 or 30 minutes on, and I'd love to hear what you think. What else do you think we should do? What other ideas do you have? If there's something that you feel like should be adjusted, let me know. We'd love to hear it. Thanks.